a child of the universe. This original piece of art was created by Vinson Ballard. It is a colorful, creative art piece entitled A Child of the Universe. The top portion of the picture is that of a smiling moon with the family holding their child's hand in unison. The mother is to the left holding the child's hand, and the father is to the right holding the same child's hand. The miniature replica of the family's togetherness is also consistent with the ancient African and Black experience model of the family being the ultimate standard of survival. This further has to do with the parents operating in harmonious balance within the universal energy as within the universal concept of the children of the universe. Of course, the bright smile of the moon within this original art piece further supports the concept of being such a reality of a child of the universe. The moon itself is a part of the universe as one of its children in this original art piece. This is also continued by the created replica of the sun in the background of this smiling moon, overshadowing it as a child of the universe, as a middle-aged star. The infant child in the miniature replica of the parents showing togetherness while holding the child's hand is also just above a black, shining star. This particular black shining star emphasizes the natural divinity of a child of the universe as this art piece displays. It the black shining star below the family is located at the bottom part of the smiling moon and is a miniature replica of a nebula, which is a parent of the star. The nebula was once a child of the universe before it became a parent. The three structures at the middle to the bottom of the page make up a miniature replica in historical ancient Africa called the Mountains of the Moon. As this art piece shows, of course, the foothill of the Mountain of the Moon is thought to be the birthplace of humankind on the planet according to some black scholars. Therefore, the snow-capped mountains of the moon are colorfully reflected with the foot going up the right side of the art piece. The great and mighty Nile River is highlighted at the bottom of this painting. The middle miniature replica of the Mountain of the Moon may be acknowledged by the Ankh symbol of life in the center of its coexistence with the other two mountains of the moon within the art piece. The mountains of the moon within this art piece individually could be considered as creations, beings, and even children of the universe within the 5 domains. 1, minerals. 2, plants. 3, animals. 4, humans. 5, spirituality. The golden or yellow dots shows the multiple range of energy throughout the universe that the moon and other heavenly bodies have. The other multiple background in the universe shows its awesome coexisting and its divine impact. This art piece truly focuses on the many dimensions of the concept, the child of the universe, as we all coexist in that manner from the universal one as within the cosmos. Therefore, this original creative art piece speaks to the individual as an instrument, extension, creation, and being certainly connected to the universe. This also speaks to the dynamics of the movement of the awesome heavenly bodies and its natural divine order for us to coexist daily and beyond. As a child of the universe, the individual is a part of a divine system where all needed resources are made available to one's soul journey. This is the familiar thought as with this original art piece. Just think. 1, the smiling moon. 2, the family in unison holding the child's hand. 3, the mother's connections. And 4, the father's connection. 5, the parents operating in harmonious balance within the universal energy. 6, the bright smile of the moon as a child of the universe. 7, the sun as a middle-aged star, as a nebula, as a child of the universe. 8, the black shining star as a nebula, as a child of the universe. 9, the mountain of the moon. 10, the foothill of the mountain of the moon as the birthplace of humanity according to some black scholars. 11, the great and mighty Nile River. 12, the symbol of the Ankh of life in the middle mountain of the moon. 13. The golden and yellow dots shows the energy range with the movement of the universal energy. Please allow yourself to look at that. These examples within this art piece shows the natural view of how this concept of a child of the universe exists. Certainly, the divine order of this universal energy make available the necessary resources for the individual to survive. All divine creations and divine beings exist in that manner, that amazing manner. The child represents that part of the universe that has been extended, a connection to coexist in its space, season, to avail, and time to avail itself. Thank you for having the opportunity to share this divine magic of bringing this view of this original art piece to the surface. Copyright 2021 by Vinson, Ballard. Peace and blessings.